Talk about that on this this second Sunday of August. Right now it's partly cloudy. We have a mostly sunny sky out there. Now, if you look toward downtown San Antonio, some of those clouds are a little ominous. They're gaining height, and we do have a couple of showers out there, which we'll show you in a second. Not everyone's going to see rain tonight, but there will be a select few on the south side of Bexar County that may see a couple of hit or miss showers. Right now, it's the heat that's the main story. 99 at Lavernia, 99 at Castroville, 100 at Lackland, 95 at Bernie, 94 at Bulverde. And then zooming out, there's that east and southeast wind. Some winds coming in also from the northeast because of what's causing some of that rain out there. But of course, for most of us, it's dry and it's hot. 100 at Del Rio and several triple digits between Pleasanton and Cotulla. Okay, here's radar. As you can see, the hill country, it's quiet, partly cloudy, mostly sunny. Now, zooming in, these isolated downpours are driven by a couple of different things, one of which is just the heating of the day, meaning they gain height and then they rain themselves out and they collapse, so they only last like 15 minutes. But notice between Stockdale, Floresville, Highway 181, some pretty good, spotty downpours out there, one of which is now heading towards Elmendorf. However, it's already weakening rapidly. So I would say heads up for Elmendorf. You may see a couple of light to moderate areas of rain, but it's already collapsing on approach to the 1604 area on the southeastern side. Also watching this little area of light rain moving towards Somerset, but if you do get a little splash of rain, it's only for about 10 to 15 minutes at most, maybe even 5 minutes. All right, tonight's forecast, most of us staying dry, 94 at 8. Temperatures falling into the 80s by about 10 p.m. Tomorrow's timeline from 80 at 9 to 90 at lunchtime, and then about 97, 98 with another opportunity at seeing some of these splash and dash isolated downpours. Now, what's causing this? Not really a low, but it's a weak inverted trough, and this is moving onshore. Basically, what this means is just more humidity off the Gulf, and what that can do is also touch off these widely scattered isolated downpours. So through tomorrow and Tuesday, expect a similar setup, high temperatures, upper 90s, sunshine, and then in the late afternoon, some isolated downpours. Watch what happens tomorrow morning, middle 70s for back to school. Pretty mild to comfortable, but by about 9 or 10 a.m. temperatures pretty much, rapidly increase. And then by 5 and 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, a couple of isolated showers possible with the heating of the day. So we're going to watch those very closely, but nothing severe is expected. All right, backing out the view over the tropical Atlantic. No hurricanes right now, but this wave off the coast of Africa and near the Cape Verde Islands is going to propagate farther west. And this may impact any vacation plans between the DR, Puerto Rico, the Bahamas, because a lot of the forecast guidance does strengthen it into a major hurricane in about 10 days. So we're going to watch that very closely. But anywhere in the Western Atlantic, going to be keeping updates on that. All right, here's your 14-day forecast. Tomorrow, 97 Monday, 97 Tuesday. That small chance at a late afternoon shower possible through Wednesday, but overall drying out and temperatures in the morning. Middle 70s for back to school and the kiddos with daytime highs way too hot in the upper 90s, Alicia.